Are you tired of your period showing up for every single special occasion? Like it's your wedding day and you're going to be on your period, or your honeymoon and you're going to be in your period, or you're going to like a special day and now you cannot wear that tiny sexy dress because of your period, or probably enjoy your date because of your period. So if you are having this type of period problems, I'm here to give you the perfect solution. One of them is menstrual cup. In the menstrual cup, it's leak proof. Once you insert it in the correct way, it's no way that you're going to have like the smallest like accident of like leaking. And if you are placing the menstrual cup correctly, and if you are letting the menstrual cup go inside and completely open and make sure that she's secure inside, there's no way that you're gonna have one leak. You can swim, you can wear your favorite dress, you can wear your wedding dress, like everything, and you can be absolutely comfortable without like worrying about like any type of leaks, like guarantee. And the menstrual disc is a completely different, menstrual care product. It sits in a different place inside of you. And the one particular feature about the menstrual disc is you can have you can be intimate with your partner mess free. And everybody that knows menstrual disc in the industry, they know that this is the best thing ever in the menstrual disc, and I have to say it. So if you are in your period and you're looking for your honeymoon or your wedding day or your special day, you have your menstrual disc that is amazing. One thing that I really love is that it's reusable, and it has this sterilizer case. This is the whole kit inside. It's really small, you see. And then inside you have the menstrual disc, and this is the pull tab. You don't need any experience with this one because it's really easy just to insert it and easy to remove it. With the menstrual cup, you do need some practice to insert it, but this is like best thing ever. And everything is available on Amazon. This is the normal to heavy flow, and I hope you guys give it a try. And don't stop doing your favorite things, or wearing the type of clothes that you want, or don't let your periods to take away the fun of your life. The only thing that you need to do is to look for better period products that's gonna let you enjoy every single day in your life. Take a look at Blissmia, let me know your thoughts, and please let me know if this fixed your problem, because it fixed mine. Like, I don't hate my period anymore. I feel completely comfortable. I can do everything in my period, and I have everything in one little case. So Amazon, Blissmia, let me know your comments.